channel. As usual, I bring another recipe today as well. So what is it, Jasmin?
Lamb curry with potato.
I'm cooking lamb curry with the potatoes, guys, today. So guys, I'm telling you step by step as usual. So let's begin. So guys, for this recipe I have got lamb. It's 1.5 kg, 5 to 6 tomatoes, puree, 2 to 3 spoon of plain yogurt, little bit sour, handful chopped coriander sticks, and I have got 2 to 3 green chilli, and 3 to 4 bay leaves, 2 to 3 spoon of mustard oil, 2 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of salt, 2 big spoon of roughly chopped ginger, 6 cloves of the garlic, roughly chopped, and 2 medium size of white onion. So guys, pan is already hot, so I'm going to add oil and let it warm. So guys, I'm using mustard oil, so you need to heat properly because it's a very strong smell. So let it warm first. This oil is hot, so I'm going to put cumin seed first. Let it little bit brown. Then I'm going to add garlic. Then you have to make it a little bit brown, slightly brown I'm making. And same time I'm going to put bay leaf. We don't need to make too much brown, slightly brown we need it. Guys, it's slightly brown now. Then I'm going to add, we need to fry a little bit brown, so I'm going to add same time salt. Salt help to fry onion quickly. So guys, it's slightly brown now, so I'm going to add ginger. Then same time I'm going to add green chilli and the coriander harvested. Then keep frying till the golden brown. So guys, this takes time to fry, maybe 10 minutes at least. So keep frying in the middle. So guys, you can see it's really brown now. So I'm going to add the puree. Then mix very well. Then same time I'm going to add all powder spices. So first I'm going to put turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, chilli powder. Then mix very well. Then keep frying till the oil separate. So guys, I'm going to put lid on, then let it cook. So guys, you can say is water a little bit dry. So I'm going to add yogurt. Then mix very quickly. Then I'm going to put lid on again. Then I'm going to cook till the oil separate. So guys, this water is dry. So I'm going to add the meat. Then I'm going to mix. Then let it cook at least 45 minutes. In the middle I'm going to stir up, keep stirring in the middle, and I don't want to put water at the moment. So I'm going to keep frying first. So I'm going to put the lid on. So guys, you can see the water is naturally come out from the meat. So I didn't add any water yet. So keep frying till they dry the water. Then another 5 minutes. got 4 to 5 potatoes here. So guys, you can see water is dry and meat is almost cooked. You can see how beautiful this one is, all gravy and oil is starting to separate. So I'm going to add the potato. Then cook another 5 to 7 minutes till we cook the potatoes. Then we'll be done. So I didn't add any water. If I need it, I will be add some water. So I'm going to cover another 2 minutes. Then I will be add water. So guys, I'm checking. So it's water is almost dry. So I'm going to put 1 cup of the water for the gravy. Then let it cook again. I'm going to put the lid on. Then cook another 5 minutes. So guys, it's already 5 to 7 minutes. I put the potatoes. It's almost done. So I'm going to put half teaspoon of garam masala. Then some coriander leaves chopped. Then going to mix to cook another 2-3 minutes. Then it will be done. So guys, this is cooked. You can see it looks very yummy and very nice. So guys, if you want to eat with the rice, you can keep the thin gravy, or if you want to eat with the roti, chapati, you can cook more another 2-3 minutes. Then you can make thick gravy. So I'm going to keep the thin gravy because we are eating with the rice. So it's done. So guys, you must try this recipe. This is very nice, very simple and delicious recipe. So you can enjoy with the rice and chapati. So guys, I'm going